María Fernanda Gualotuña, Ecuadorian, a woman who was born in the middle of the world and living in Mexico. It's a pleasure for me to share with you this time, and I would like to start with an anecdote. A few years ago, a middle school noticed that one of their students, let's call her Sofia, was quietly slipping through the cracks. Her grades were average, her attendance seemed fine, and she wasn't disrupted in class. On the surface, nothing stood out. But when the school began using a data intelligence system, they noticed a pattern. Sophia's homework completion rate was clearly declining, and her participation in class discussing was dropped compared to the previous year, a trend that might have gone unnoticed. The teachers struggling with anxiety about moving a new neighborhood. With early support, counseling, peer mentoring, and tailoring learning plan, Sophia regained confidence. By the end of the year, she had become one of the most active voices in the class. And let me tell you something, no one could help us. Actually, teachers around the world are heroes because without teachers we didn't have a society, definitely. And never the intelligence system is going to replace the teachers, never. We need to use these devices as tools to work. Data intelligence allows school to understand each student strength, challenge, and learning styles. Instead of one size fits all teaching, educators can tailor instruction to maximize individual work. We can work with the students, we can work with the children, we can work with the learners with these kind of tools. Obviously, always we are going to be human beings. And being human means work as a person, work with feelings, work with thoughts, work with all the things that we have. We need to understand artificial intelligence will increasingly help schools predict students' outcomes, recommend learning pathways, and even automate administrative tasks. Beyond grades and test scores, schools will integrate emotional, social, and well being indicators to nurture the whole child. Teachers and administrators will have instant access to live data, enabling agile responses to students' needs. Data intelligence will allow schools to compare performance across regions and countries, fostering innovation and collaboration worldwide. Actually, now, thanks to the artificial intelligence, I am working with a diploma for people of Africa, actually. I am working with them with the develop of the social project, the social programs to develop the social and personal growth. And we are working with that because we have this kind of intelligence, this kind of artificial intelligence. So we need to work with. The ultimate goal is not to drown in numbers, but to humanize education through intelligence. Data should illuminate pathways to empathy, inclusion, and excellent schools that embrace this vision will not only prepare students for exams, but for the life. Equipped with resilience, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Data intelligence is not about replacing teachers, it's about empowering them. It's not about controlling students, it's about understanding them, creating inequities and where every learner can flourish. At the end, in this world, yeah. But for let me do this participation.